Don't tell the sellers. Should we play a little game here at 500 and 504 Atherton Street? I think we should. How many beverage fridges do you think are in these homes? Here's the first one. Oh, look. Number 2 and number 3. Looks like we found number 4. Oh, and number 5. And would you look at that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But wait, there's more. 12, 13, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I think that might be it.
Are you sure there's not any in the bonus room?
I guess we have to go upstairs and check. Yeah, I don't think there's one up here. So I was hoping there'd be 19, but there's only 18.